a disruption anywhere in the world can quickly create pressure across the plastics and packaging supply chain. In uncertain market conditions, customers are not only looking for a competitive price, they need stability, transparency, and reliable delivery. And that is exactly when customers need more than a supplier. They need a partner with real capability for long-term cooperation. At HAPLAST, trust begins with a well-developed production system and a professional operating process. We develop a wide range of packaging products to serve diverse market needs. Beyond production, HAPLAST focuses on process clarity and consistency in quality control. That is how we help customers move forward with greater confidence in every order. In a volatile market, customers need more than a product that meets specifications. They need a partner that brings proactivity, stability, and responsibility. HAPLAST's credibility is built on more than promises. It is strengthened by certifications, quality control systems, and the trust of customers and partners across domestic and international markets. That is the foundation for transparent, stable, and sustainable cooperation. HAPLAST, not just a packaging supplier, but a trusted partner in a changing market.